Bahamas, 25 May 2014. During the World Relays Championships, the competing athletes achieved 3 world records and their best seasonal performance in all 10 disciplines. This is another milestone reached on a Mondo track. Official supplier of the last 10 Olympics, the company from Alba has designed, manufactured and installed Sportflex Super X 720, the made-in-Italy track protagonist of the 2014 World Relays. Carefully selected raw materials, production controls throughout the manufacturing process, and the skilled hands of a company recognized as the undisputed expert in manufacturing rubber flooring surfaces are the basis of every Mondo track. Mondo tracks are created in the Gallo d'Alba plant in the province of Cuneo. Truckloads of raw materials arrive here in the form of polymers, and others leave with the finished tracks ready to be installed. The raw materials are subjected to an initial quality control upon their arrival. They will only be accepted if they comply with the strict parameters imposed by the company's technicians. The plant employs 150 workers, but production is fully automated to eliminate any possibility of human error. The initial quality control is performed on the first mixture of raw materials and is used to measure the Muni viscosity. This is a very important aspect since the workability, the degree of correct mixing, and the final characteristics that the track will have all depend from here. The first stage of processing is the compound. The operation is performed by 2 Banburys, a type of large pulper. The first mixes the polymers together, and the second adds other materials to this first mixture: antioxidants, accelerants, and additives. The perfect dosage of the ingredients is one of Mondo's greatest responsibilities to give the rubber unique physical mechanical properties. The first mixture of raw materials passes through the rollers, making it uniform. The mixed product is then divided into several sheets. The same sheet is obtained from each compound, the first, second, third. All sheets are grouped together to form the batch that will give life to the track. With this technique, the final surface will not show any change in tone. Accelerators are then added to the divided compound in the second Banbury. The next step is calendaring, which is used to define the final shape of the track. This is then followed by vulcanization. This phase adjusts, among others, the degree of elasticity of the surface. Throughout the processing, Mondo tracks are subjected to continuous quality controls to assess their technical characteristics and elasticity response.
La pista dei record è una pista che richiede una grande esperienza, dei materiali di altissima qualità, una conoscenza anche proprio della progettazione dell'impianto, quindi dove andiamo a installare questa pista, e un controllo preciso di tutte le variabili che entrano in gioco quando andiamo a produrre.
Behind a Mondo surface, there are complex biomechanical studies that have led the company's Research and Development Center to define the design and the structure of the track, accurately analyzing the behavior of an athlete's foot during the race, technically called the rolling of the foot. The Mondo Research Center collaborates with leading international university centers and renowned professionals. This exchange of expertise has allowed defining, for example, the form to give the cells that characterize the lower layer of the track.
La nostra filosofia costruttiva è stata legare il movimento del piede alla forma fisica della pista e alle performance meccaniche della pista. Per far questo abbiamo studiato i movimenti della corsa e del rapporto piede-superficie e abbiamo notato che il piede sviluppa delle forze e delle energie in relazione alla pista e noi volevamo che queste energie e queste forze fossero riutilizzate dalla pista stessa. La forma dell'esagono allungato nella direzione del senso di corsa ci aiuta in questa direzione a sviluppare una pista prestativa che è in grado di immagazzinare energia potenziale elastica e di restituirla all'atleta durante il suo gesto, durante il suo movimento e di proteggerlo dagli infortuni. I due obiettivi erano questi: prevenzione degli infortuni e miglioramento della performance.
Mondo's commitment does not end with the production of the tracks. The company's technical department continues to follow customers through every stage of the facility's construction. Study of the project, installation, after-sales service are just some of the phases in which the technical team proves to be a valuable ally. Mondo knows the rules and regulations in force and is able to offer a priceless added value for architects and construction companies. Mondo is one of the few companies able to support the client at all levels. The immense wealth of experience in the field enables this company to produce the best surfaces, install the surface flawlessly, and create an impeccable project in every corner of the planet. All this while respecting the requirements of the various sports federations essential to achieve the necessary certifications for the structures built. Behind every record stands the history and the efforts of a winning athlete, but beneath his shoes there is a Mondotrack, a perfect combination of biomechanical innovation and production technology. These are characteristics that have allowed the Alba company to become the global reference point for athletics.